asked for it, and here it is. After my last video where I made the 3D version with the black paint, I got a couple of questions what the result would look like if you used white paint or any other colored paint. As I created two of them because I asked myself the same question when I made the black one, I also created one with a white paint. Like with the first project, I really did not care about the initial design and look of the pour itself, as the making of is pretty much the same as it is for the black paint, and in case you have not seen this video, I'm going to link it here in this video as well and suggest you head over and look up this one first. I will not talk too much in this video and let you watch the entire making of process with some music in the background. And in case you still have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of the result, if you perhaps love the black one over the white one. And to also answer the question which came along in the comments from the black one, yes, I think adding the white paint on top of it makes it look more elevated. So as the black paint makes it look as if it goes into the depth, I think the white paint makes it look elevated as if the layers are coming out of the canvas, at least depending on the angle you look at it. I have not yet tried combining both colors, so adding a white and a black square on top of this, it might look cool, but if you feel up to it making one of these pieces on your own, combining both colors, I would be happy if you can tag me on Instagram or Facebook so that I can see how it looks like. In case you do not have oil colors or do not want to use oil colors, you can of course also use acrylic paints to make this look happen, and you could also use an airbrush. This was an idea that I got from one of the comments from the last video, and this one of course I also want to share with you. It didn't really come to me, I do have an airbrush and did not think about this one. This might be the easiest and quickest way to make this work. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Make sure to leave me a like if you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and of course I would be happy to see you in my next videos. So have a great day. Bye bye.